Good day everyone, and welcome to this beginner tutorial on Google Slides. For those of you who don't know, Google Slides is a free web-based presentation tool that is a part of the Google Workspace suite. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of creating a presentation, from choosing a theme to sharing your final product online. Now let us get started by covering on how you can access Google Slides. Now just like what I've mentioned, this is a web-based software, meaning that you do not have to download anything, unless you are using Android or iOS devices, in which you need to download the application from Google Play Store or App Store, whichever is applicable. But if you are using computer like me, you can access it through your browser, either on Google Chrome or any other browsers that is available. To access it, go to your search bar and type in Google Slides. And now as you can see, we have tons of options to choose from. Choose this one, which has the link www.google.com, and click on it once. Click on Go to Slides, and as you can see, this page will pop up. Now, if this is your first time using Google Slides, it might require you to sign in using your Google account. And if it does, I want you to sign in using your main Google account, because how this works is that everything that you create inside Google Slides will be stored inside the Google Drive of the corresponding Google account that you use to sign in inside of this workspace. Now, let us begin by creating a blank presentation right over here, or you can select a template from all of these options right over here. There are actually tons of templates that you can choose from. You can click on this template gallery button, which will drop down all of the options to choose from. But in this video, we are going to focus on blank presentation. Another way on how you can create a blank presentation is by typing in slides.new on your search bar. And as you can see, it automatically creates a new presentation for us. Now, let us focus first on choosing a theme after you have made your presentation. You can choose a theme by clicking on the right side of your screen. As you can see right here, we have tons of themes to choose from. Click one that applies to your presentation. Let's say, for instance, I would like to choose this one. Now you can change the theme at any time by clicking on theme in the toolbar and selecting a new one. Now, one thing that I would like to do when it comes to creating a new slide is renaming my file. To rename the file, all you have to do is to head over to the upper left corner of your screen, right over here, wherein it says Untitled Presentation by default. Click on it once, and now you can change it to whatever you want. Click on Enter. And as you can see, we have successfully renamed our file. Now, to add a new slide, click on the plus button in the toolbar or use the shortcut Ctrl+M for Windows or Command+M for Mac, right over here. Or if you want to use the shortcut, Ctrl+M. As you can see, it automatically creates a new slide for us. Now let us move forward to customizing our slides, beginning with the text. Click on a text box to edit it, and you can change its font, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Let's say, for example, I would like to add a text on this text box. I just need to click on it, and now as you can see, I can put a text right over here. Now, to change its font, all you have to do is to highlight the word that you would like to change its font formatting to. And right over here, as you can see, the default font is already set. But if you wish to change it, all you have to do is to click on this font icon and choose from the options below. And now as you can see, if I click on one font, it automatically changes the highlighted word to our desired font. Now to change the font size, all I have to do is to click either on the plus icon to increase the font by 1 point or decrease the font by 1 point using the minus icon. On the other hand, I can also choose to set a custom font by clicking on this number and setting a custom number and pressing enter. To change the font color, all you have to do is to head over right over here where it says text color and choose whatever you like. Also on your toolbar, you also have the default bold, italic, and underline. Now if you want to add another text box, all you have to do is to head over to the insert ribbon right over here, or insert tab, and click on text box. And from here, you can click and drag on your mouse, like so, to insert a new text box. Now let us move on to inserting images. To add an image, click on Insert and then Image right over here. And you can upload an image from your computer, search the web, or choose from your Google Drive. But in my case, I would like to upload an image directly from my computer. So all I have to do is to click on the first option, which says Upload from Computer. And now as you can see, it opens up this directory right over here. Now all I have to do is to choose the picture that I would like to add, which in this case is this one, and click on Open. And as you can see, it opens up the logo of our YouTube channel, which is the picture I selected earlier. I can resize it if I want to, and drag it around. Now, when it comes to colors, you can change the background color of a slide. All you have to do is to go over to this tab right over here, wherein it says background. And as you can see right over here, you have the color icon. And from here, you can choose whichever color you would like so. Or you can even choose an image to add as a background. But in my case, I would like to keep it this way. Now let us move forward to the advanced features of Google Slides, starting with the Explore button. The Explore button helps you design your slides by suggesting layouts and finding relevant images and information. Now, if you would like to insert a video, all you have to do is to head over to the Insert tab for once more, and then head over to the Video tab right over here. And as you can see, you can either paste a YouTube channel or a YouTube link right over here, or you can choose a video from your Google Drive. But in my case, I would like to insert a YouTube link. You can directly search from this search bar right over here, or you can paste a specific link from a YouTube channel right over here. As you can see, if I choose this one, for example, all I have to do is click Insert. And as you can see, it inserts the video right over here. And it can be played as I present the presentation, which will be in depth later on. Now, let us move forward to charts. To add a chart, all you have to do is to head over to the Insert tab again right over here, and then click on Chart. Now you can choose from the different options right over here: bar, column, line, and pie. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, we have now successfully inserted a chart to our Google Slides. Now, this chart can be edited via Google Sheets by clicking on this one and clicking on Open Source. And now as you can see, we have the chart right over here loaded in Google Sheets. Now if I would like to change the data, all I have to do is click on One Data and change it to the corresponding number that I would like to put, and pressing on Enter. And as you can see, the data on the chart automatically updates. Now to update the chart in Google Slides, all you have to do is press on Update right over here. And as you can see, it automatically updates the chart correspondingly with what we have entered on our Google Sheets. Now let us finalize our presentation. By ordering our slides, you can make sure that your slides is in the correct order by dragging them in the left-hand sidebar right over here. If you would like to change the orientation or organization of these slides, all you have to do is to click on one slide and drag it like so. And as you can see, we can change the order as we wish. Now, to hide a slide, all you have to do is to right-click on the slide in the sidebar and select Skip Slide, like so. Click on it, and as you can see, as we present our presentation, it will skip this slide because we decided to hide it. Now let's move forward to animations and transitions, which will make our presentation look more appealing. To add animations, click on a text box or image, then click on Insert. Right over here, click on Animate. And now as you can see, it will open up the animation tab on the right side screen. Now choose the type of animation and customize its timing. Let's say for example, I want it to be this one, fly in from the left. And right here, we can adjust the timing of our animation. Now to add a transition between slides, all you have to do is to click on the transition button right here at the top and select a transition effect right over here. Here you can customize its timing as well. And now as you can see, if I press this button, which will enable the slideshow mode, it will boot up the animation that we have set. Like so. Now once you have finalized your slide, you can share and publish your presentation online. To share your presentation, click on the share button at the top right corner, right over here. You can invite people via email or generate a shareable link. Now as you can see right here, the general access dictates whoever can access this slide that we have made. Now by default, it is set to restricted, in which only certain people that has access or you give access to can access this slide right here. But if you change it to anyone with a link, as you can see, anyone on the internet with the link can view this slide. Now you can change the permission right over here if you want them to be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Now once you have chosen the role, all you have to do is click on copy link and done. And now as you can see, if I paste right over here, it will paste the link that we have just copied, which is the shareable link of this Google Slides. To publish your presentation online, click on File, Share, and Publish to Web. And now as you can see, you can either choose if you want it to be a link or an embedded file. But in my case, I would like to choose a link. Click on Publish and confirm right over here. Click on OK. And now as you can see, it also has a shareable link that we can copy on our clipboard and paste. And now as you can see, we have now successfully published our Google Slides online. That's it. You now have the basic knowledge to create and share a presentation using Google Slides. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.